Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Hi friends, in before videos we have to explain the theorems about A inverse. It is inverse of a matrix. From in this video we'll saw the how to find the inverse of a matrix. That is, we have to solve the solve problems 3.5.7. In that first problem is find the adjoint and the inverse of the matrix A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 5. We have to given a 2 by 2 matrix here. By we have to find the first we have to find adjoint and then we have to find inverse of the matrix A. We go to solution. Given matrix, first write down the given matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 5. For finding the inverse, first we have to check whether the given matrix is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix. For finding the singular or non-singular matrices, we have to calculate determination of the given matrix. Then det A is equal to 1 into minus 5 minus of 2 into 3, that equal to minus 5 minus 6, that is equal to minus 11. This is not equal to 0. We know that A is not equal to 0, then A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix. If a matrix is a non-singular matrix, then A is invertible. Then the matrix A is invertible. The matrix A is invertible. For finding the inversion, first we have to find out the adjoint of A. For that, we have to find the cofactor matrix of a given matrix A, and then we have to transpose the cofactor matrix of A, then that is equal to the adjoint of A. For that, first we have to find out the cofactor of a matrix. The cofactor matrix of A. The cofactor matrix of A is, let it be B, that equal to the cofactor matrix is minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 1. Yeah, minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is calculator. By first we have to find cofactor of the element 1. Then we have to eliminate that row and column. The remaining value is minus 5. The first element minus 1 whole power I plus j, that is plus 1, that is minus 5. Then for the cofactor matrix of 2 is, by eliminating row and column we get 3, and minus 1 whole power I plus j value is minus 1, then minus 3. Similarly minus 2 1. Then we have to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to B transpose, that is equal to B transpose. Transpose of a matrix means we have to interchange the rows or into columns or columns into rows. Then minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 1. This is the adjoint of a matrix. This is the adjoint of a matrix. Next we have to find, first we have to find the adjoint, next we have to find the inversion of a matrix. That is, we have to know the formula is that A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. that equal to 1 by det A value is minus 11 into adjoint of A matrix is minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, 1. Then we have to multiply with this 1 by minus 11, that is minus 5 by minus 11, minus 2 by minus 11, minus 3 by minus 11, 1 by minus 11. Then that is equal to 5 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, minus 1 by 11. This is the inversion of a matrix A, given matrix A. This is the inversion of a given matrix A. For finding the inversion, first we have to check the given matrix is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix. If given matrix is a singular matrix, then we have to not find the inversion of a matrix. If the given matrix is a non-singular matrix, then next A is invertible. If A is invertible, then first find out the cofactor matrix of A. Let it be B. Then adjoint of A is nothing but the cofactor matrix of A transpose, that is B transpose. We have to first find out adjoint of A, then A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. Adjoint of A by det A. Then we calculate the value. Next we will go to the second problem in the same solved problem 3.5.7. The next second problem is find the adjoint and the inverse of the matrix A. Here we have to given a 3 by 3 matrix. The matrix is 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. This is a given 3 by 3 matrix. Same procedure here. Solution given. First write on the given matrix. Given matrix A equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. This is a given matrix A. First, we have to find a given matrix is a singular or non-singular. We have to find the determination of A. Then, det A equal to 1 into 16 minus 9 minus 3 into 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 4. That is equal to 1 into 7 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. That is equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 1. This is not equal to 0. Then determination of A is not equal to 0. Then A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix and also A is invertible. A is a non-singular matrix and also A is a invertible matrix. Next we have to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of a given matrix A. Then first for that we have to find the cofactor matrix of a given matrix A. Then the cofactor matrix of A is, let it be B, is equal to, we know how to find the cofactor matrix, that is the formula is -1 whole power I plus j and into the minor of a given element. For that calculation we have to find the cofactor matrix is 7 minus 1 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1 minus 3 0 1. This is a cofactor matrix of a given matrix A. Then next we have to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is nothing but the transpose of a cofactor matrix of a given matrix. That is equal to adjoint of A equal to 7 minus 3, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 7 minus 3, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is a adjoint of a given matrix. Adjoint of a given matrix is this. Next we have to find the inversion of a given matrix. Then inversion of a matrix formula is A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. We know det A value is 1. 1 by 1 into the adjoint of A matrix is 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1. Then we have to multiply with 1. Then A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is a inversion of a given matrix. This is a inversion of a given matrix. For finding the inversion of a given matrix A, first we have to find the given matrix is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix. Then if a given matrix is a singular matrix, then there is no inversion of a matrix. If a given matrix is a non-singular matrix, then we have to find the adjoint. For finding the adjoint of a given matrix, first we have to find the cofactor matrix of A. The cofactor matrix of A is, let it be B, and the cofactor matrix of A is calculated. Each element is, the formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of that element. Minor of that element. Then by using that, we have to find the cofactor matrix. We have to find the cofactor matrix. And then adjoint of A equal to B transpose. For finding the B transpose value, adjoint of A, then we have to finally find the A inverse. A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. Adjoint of A by det A. This is the solution. Next we have to solve the third problem in the same solved problems. Next, the third problem is show that given matrix A equal to 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2 is non-singular and find A inverse. This is nothing but the same process of the below problem or before problem solution. First write down the given matrix A equal to 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. This is a given matrix. We have to first show the given matrix is a non-singular matrix. That is, that is not equal to 0. For that, if a given matrix is a non-singular matrix, then we have to show the determination of a given matrix is not equal to 0. Then we have to find determination of A, that A equal to 1 into 4 minus 3 minus 2 into 6 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 equal to 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 minus 6 plus 1 equal to minus 4. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, that A is not equal to 0. Then A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix. And also A is invertible. A is invertible. A is invertible. Then we have to find the inversion of a matrix A inverse. For that, we have to find out the adjoint of A. Then the adjoint of A. For finding the adjoint of A, first we have to find the cofactor matrix. The cofactor matrix of A is, let it be B. That equal to, we have to find the cofactor matrix. That is minus 1 whole power I plus j into the minor of that element. First, the cofactor element of 1 is minus 1 whole power I plus j means 1 plus 1, 2. I square minus 1 whole square value is 1 plus. Then 4 minus 3, 1. This is 1 minus 3. Similarly, 1 minus 3, 1, 1. 4, 0, minus 4. In previous problems, we have to, I am explaining the cofactor matrix. How to find a cofactor matrix. By using that, we have to finding the matrix B. And adjoint of A is equal to B transpose. That is equal to 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 4. This is a adjoint of A. This is a adjoint of A. Next we have to find the A inverse. Inversion of a given matrix. Next, A inverse equal to, the formula is adjoint of A by det A. That is equal to 1 by det A value is minus 4. Then adjoint of A value 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 4. Then we have to multiply with minus 1 by 4. That is A inverse equal to 1 by minus 4, minus 3 by minus 4, 4 by minus 4, minus 3 by minus 4, 1 by minus 4, 0 by minus 4, 1 by minus 4, again 1 by minus 4, minus 4 by minus 4. Here, after cancellation, the minors and the similar terms, that is equal to matrix A inverse equal to minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Here minus minus get cancelled. Here 4 get cancelled. Minus 1, 3 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 0. 0 by any number is equal to 0. Then minus 1 by 4, again minus 1 by 4. Here minus minus get cancelled and also 4 get cancelled. The value is 1. This is the inversion matrix. A inverse equal to minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, minus 1, 3 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 0, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1. This is a inversion of a matrix. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.